Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLE trim and powered by a 4.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with decent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below, as well as mud flaps on the front and rear, and a hardtop tonneau cover to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 111,109 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, engine hours, transmission fluid temperature, and digital speedometer. You can also go through your audio, phone, and navigation controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, and on the back side of the steering wheel, you have your radio controls. As well as left of the steering wheel, here you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and your light controls. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, Bluetooth, and I believe USB or auxiliary, so you do have quite a few options there. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and below that you have your media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate, traction control shutoff, cargo box lights, and park assist sensor shutoff. Below that, you have this compartment, as well as a 12 volt and I believe 115 volt power outlet. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, 3 little cubbies, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, with 2 USBs, auxiliary, and another 12 volt, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. Then this flips up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, as well as having another compartment underneath there for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.